Welcome guys. Let's do Bitcoin technical analysis. In the video I will show you my 4 latest charts and I will tell you my next price target according to the Bitcoin price action. So please watch this video until end and please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon right now and join me on my Twitter. This is my Twitter page. Let's dive into the content and let me please show you my first chart. This is Bitcoin daily chart. Here you can see this is 50 daily moving average line, and whenever this line candles cross this line towards upside, a big move towards upside occurs. And here you can see in past in 20 October 2020 7 October 2020 candles cross this 50 daily moving average, and after that we see a impulsive move 500%. And after that here you can see on 12 August it was the move of approximately 31%, and after that this is a big move on 1st May 2021, and it was move of 57% approximately. Here you can see, and that was the move of 48%. Here you can see candle crossed towards upside, and after that 48% upside move, candles crossed towards upside, and after that 57% upside move, candle cross 50 daily moving average towards upside at 31% upside move. And here you can see this is very good sign. Here you can see candle cross daily Bitcoin 50 moving average towards upside, and here is a big move is going to come in Bitcoin daily chart, and Bitcoin price definitely will boost. Let me please show you one thing very interesting. Let me please show you. Here you can see this is RSI, and here you can see whenever RSI break 50 levels, and here you can see a big move occurs in Bitcoin chart, and also a crossover candles cross 50 daily moving average line. Here you can see let me please show you some past history. Here you can see on 7 October here you can see RSI break this towards upside. RSI was in this downtrend, but RSI break this towards upside, and here you can see a big move comes, and after that here you can see we see a 500% upside move of Bitcoin. And let me please show you other history. Here you can see on 1st May RSI was in downtrend, and after that on 1st May we saw a breakout towards upside in RSI. Here you can see, and here you can see we also see a crossover, and it was move of 57%. Here you can see let me please show you. Here you can see another past history. RSI was in downtrend, and on 3rd January 2020 RSI broke towards upside, and here you can see candles break 50 daily moving average towards upside, and here you can see 48% move. Here you can see whenever a daily RSI move towards upside and break previous resistance, in that case we saw a crossover of candles, and this is towards upside, and here you can see 48%, 57%, 31%, and also let me please show you. Here you can see 500%, and no, this is very important thing. Here you can see, let me please zoom this. Here you can see very clearly candles again break this towards upside, and here you can see in daily RSI was in downtrend. Here you can see this yellow line, and candle RSI break this towards upside, and whenever RSI cross this and candles cross 50 daily daily moving average, in that case here you can see a huge move is going to come in Bitcoin chart. I think so, and I think so that will be maybe minimum 50% move. According to the history, minimum 50% Bitcoin can go up. And if we calculate 50% from that point, let me please show you what will be the target. But this is not a financial advice, and this is my technical target. I think Bitcoin can easily hit here you can see $55,000 if history repeats. And let me please show you my second chart. Here you can see This is Bitcoin daily chart. Bitcoin break this. Bitcoin was break this descending wedge towards upside, but unfortunately, Bitcoin rejected from that zone again $40,000, and now Bitcoin is still in this descending wedge. Once Bitcoin break this, in that case, here you can see this is turning as a strong resistance, and this upper trend line is also a strong resistance for the Bitcoin. Once Bitcoin break this area, 40,000 to $42,000 to $42,000 area, $2,000 or $3,000 area. This area is very, very important. In that case, we may see a big impulsive move of Bitcoin, and I think Bitcoin will hit new targets. Until now, we have to wait. And let me please show you daily EMA. Bitcoin candles close daily EMA towards upside and break this EMA ribbon. Here you can see, and that is a very, very good sign. And now this EMA ribbon is turning as a support for the Bitcoin right now. We have to wait. Once candles break this descending wedge towards upside and this upper trend line, in that case we may see a impulsive move of Bitcoin. Let me please show you my new 4-hourly chart. Here you can see this is 4-hourly chart, and here you can see Bitcoin is now in this broadening wedge. Here you can see this is upper trend line and several touches. Here you can see, sorry for that. Here you can see this is downtrend line. Here you can see, and here you can see. Now this line is turning as a resistance for the Bitcoin, and it is at $39,000 to $40,000 area. And Bitcoin have to break this in order to move towards upside. Bitcoin have to break this area, and Bitcoin have to break this area in order to move towards upside. Here you can see this is very, very strong area, $39,000 to $41,000 area. If Bitcoin break this, then definitely big move of Bitcoin will come like this. Maybe Bitcoin after breaking this, Bitcoin will retest this, and after that Bitcoin will move towards upside. We have to wait. But I think this is very, very important area for the Bitcoin to break $41,000. 41,000, 42,000, 39,000 to $42,000. This is this $3,000 area. This $3,000 area is very, very important for the Bitcoin. Let me please show you 4-hourly EMA ribbon, and here you can see. Let me please show you. Here you can see Bitcoin break this EMA ribbon, and price is this EMA ribbon is at $36,300 area. And friends, if you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. And if you want to get these bonuses, Binance and Bybit exchange bonuses of $2,300 bonus, then please go to in this video's comment section where you can get a pin message, and please click on these links and create your account. And after initial deposit, you can get $2,300 bonus absolutely free, which is tradable and which is withdrawable too. And let me please show you my next chart. And sorry for that. This is Bitcoin 1-hour chart, and here you can see Bitcoin was in this ascending channel, but unfortunately that was a fake out, and now Bitcoin is again in this ascending channel, and this blue line is turning as a strong support for the Bitcoin. And if you see previous past history, and here you can see this blue line acts like a support zone, and here you can see price move towards downside, and after that price move towards upside, and this blue line acts like a support and resistance level for the Bitcoin. And here you can see again this blue line is acting like a support for the Bitcoin. And now if Bitcoin price goes down, then 36,500 will be the area. 37,500, 37,100 will be the area. That will be, I think, for the resistance for a support zone for the Bitcoin, $37,500, $37,000, $37,000 to $37,500. And once Bitcoin break this, and in that case, definitely Bitcoin price will go up. Otherwise, Bitcoin will remain sideways, I think so. But I think Bitcoin have to break this. And let me please show you my final important thing, and which is very, very important. Let me please show you. Here you can see. This blue line is 20 daily moving average, and this orange line is 50 daily moving average. Whenever this crossover makes happens and price goes down, and if this crossovers towards upside here, then price goes up, and if this towards downside here, you can see 20 weekly moving 20 daily moving average crossover towards downside, 50 across 50 daily moving average towards downside, exponential moving average, sorry. Then here you can see a big move towards downside, and after that here you can see, let me please show you some previous past history. Here you can see 20 daily moving average crossover towards upside, and here you can see impulsive move, and very, very important and very good move. And now here you can see again this area, here you can see 20 daily moving average EMA, exponential moving average crossover towards upside, and after that impulsive move. And no, this is again going to happen. Let me please show you. Here you can see this is again going to happen, and if I here you can see, if this crossover happens like this, in that case a big move we may expect in Bitcoin chart and in Bitcoin price, sorry, and Bitcoin can hit again new price targets. That is my technical analysis, friends. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel, join me on Twitter, and if you like this, then hit the bell icon, and please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for the watching.